Good morning. We're going to do another continuous contour drawing, continuous line contour drawing, and this one we're going to focus on an area of the room. So I want you to see this image. And that's the image that I'm going to be drawing on my sketchbook paper. And when you do this drawing, we're going to focus on a couple of things. We're going to focus on our hand-eye coordination, just like the previous ones. And then we're also going to focus on drawing with our arm, okay? So you're going to move your arm as you draw. You can see big. I'm using my arm as I'm drawing, okay? I'm not sketching. This would be sketching. We're not doing that. We're gonna use our arm and we're gonna go nice and slow as we draw. So let's get started. This is a sketchbook assignment, so only about five minutes. And you find one point that you're gonna start on. And I'm gonna try and angle my pen a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And then just move along, find the natural lines that go along with each object, each portion of the object. I'm going to work on my file cabinet right here. So I'm going back and forth. My eyes are going back and forth. It is a continuous drawing. Going back and forth and figuring out my hand is always, well, mostly always moving, and I'm just searching. My pen is searching for the right spot as I'm doing this drawing. There we go, you can see it a little better. Last drawer on here. Getting the little handles. Okay, and then I come over here and it actually goes off the page. I'm not going to worry about going off the page too much as I'm doing this drawing. I'm doing another little shelf here. Trying to look at what direction the lines actually go in. This is really about training our eyes to see the object as much as we can. Okay, this line goes up and off the page. If you need to go off the page, then go off the page. And I got a little flower pot over here. I don't have to draw all the little details. I can just do some squiggly lines to kind of represent the flowers. Okay, Kleenex box over here. And I've got my door. So my eyes are looking at the object as well as the paper. I'm going back and forth. My whole head is moving. I'm going back and forth and constantly reevaluating my drawing. Where do my objects need to be in this? Constantly reevaluating, constantly searching. Try not to lift my paper up, my pen up too much. Do the bottom of the door, goes through right here. I'm going to come back over and do my little handle. Then I got a window. Moving back and forth. My eyes are constantly moving back and forth, back and forth. The majority of the time I'm actually looking at the object. My hands are even continuing to move as I'm looking at the object. And I'm done. The area of the room.